You can't lie to the man in the mirror. Whew. Powerful. If you keep saying I'll change but never do, you stop believing you. So how do you rebuild? That's the question. Well, I say start with the smallest win you can't fail at. Make your bed. Take that walk. Go to the gym. Say no when you usually say yes. Bob Proctor taught us you were born rich with untapped power. Jim Rohn said discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishments, right? Les Brown, he said you've got greatness in you. I believe all those things. And I want you to really listen to those words. You got to believe them. Miles Monroe says you're here on purpose for purpose. So stop negotiating with doubt. You don't need more hype. You need habits that prove your power back to you. Do the hard things. I always say do the hard things first. Build momentum, then watch belief return. Not all at once, but brick by brick, good people.